It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 F-150 XLT in black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This vehicle has a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a power sliding rear window, navigation, reverse camera, as well as that nice tonneau cover and a line box. If you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the doors, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, nice all-weather mat on the floor. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle and a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And then we just start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up. And we're just going to go in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. There's a little cubby up top, and then you have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. Your sources, you can just touch on there. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into the navigation. You're going to see the map come up, and then you can choose your destination. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So here's right off the bumper. Green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. And there's your center line. I'm going to put us back into park. And there we go. We just touch on the screen, and we can go back home by touching the little house. We can get out of the navigation screen. You can go into settings. And then in here, you've got different options. You just slide through. There's your Sirius XM, Bluetooth. And then you have your display that you can change the look of, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth, and then just slide, and each of them has sub-menus. Volume and tuner, there's your fan, and you have front and rear defrost, heated seats for driver and passenger, your AC and max AC, little cubby down below, and you also have a couple of USB outlets, and then just press and it'll close right up. Automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. That's a DM there. When you press on it, it appears on the dash, so normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport, and then back around again. So if your road conditions or your weather changes, you can adapt to that. And then a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, it's quite generous, and you've got a nice little bin here. You can take that out. You've got a 12 volt down below, and then close that up. You've got your 12 volt and 110 glove compartment. Up top, auto dimming, rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you've got a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for, and a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and in the back, black handle for your tailgate, the backup cameras just below that handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open it up, you simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice tonneau cover, line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as a tailgate step. And that yellow button just pulls out to create a handle, making it easier to get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You can easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then to bring it back down, just simply pull the tab. And you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And you're seeing this nice tire tread design on the seats, and that's a sport cloth. On the floor is an all-weather mat, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders, your 12 volt. You also have USB outlets, 110 hooks, and lighting. And in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Black bumper, and you've got the EcoBoost badging on the back. 6.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors that are heated, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.